Your entry doesn't matter, nor does your stop loss, or even the asset you're trading, if you don't know the trend. We've all been in situations where we seemingly have the best strategy, you've tested it over and over again, but when you go to enter a trade, the trade immediately runs against you. This is likely because you have been identifying the trend incorrectly. In today's video, I am going to show you an indicator that not many people know about that will tell you exactly what the trend is. Let's start with a clean chart. Open your trading view and remove your indicators from your chart by right-clicking and selecting Remove Indicators. Now click on the Indicators tab and search RSI Momentum Trend. It's this one by TZAC88. As you can see, not a lot of people know about this indicator at the time of this video, with only 400 plus likes. Go ahead and click to add it to your chart. The RSI Momentum Trend works by utilizing the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and a momentum threshold. It calculates the RSI and evaluates two momentum conditions, positive and negative. Once a momentum condition is met, it is visually shown on the chart so traders can know what direction the market is trending in. If we click on Settings, we can see that we are able to adjust the positive and negative momentum condition. For our testing, the default settings are fine. You also have the option to enable or disable the signal labels and the trend ribbon. We will disable the signal labels. Comparing the RSI momentum trend to more classical trend detection indicators such as the SuperTrend indicator, we can see how the RSI momentum trend is far better at identifying the correct trend. We can see here where the market is clearly in an uptrend, but the SuperTrend indicator shows several indications of false downtrend signals. It's the same with a downtrend. The SuperTrend indicator gives many false uptrend signals, while the RSI momentum trend was able to accurately determine the start and end of the trend. Having such an accurate trend indicator is invaluable to our trade execution. I am going to show you a super easy strategy that you can use in your trading using this indicator. Let's go ahead and add another indicator to our chart that we will use to trigger our trade entries. Click on the Indicators tab and search for Stochastic RSI. Click on this one listed under Technicals. The Stochastic RSI is an indicator that allows us to better see the shifts in the market momentum. So what we will do is confirm the trend using the RSI momentum trend and use the Stochastic RSI to confirm the entry. Now we have a complete momentum strategy. If you want an even better momentum indicator for entries, you should consider checking out LuxAlgo's premium package. LuxAlgo offers a premium package with a suite of exclusive high-level indicators to help your technical analysis. They offer the oscillator matrix, which would be great in helping to identify entries in this strategy. They also offer a price action concept indicator and their very popular signals and overlays indicator. You can try LuxAlgo for free using the link in the video description below. As you can see on the chart, the RSI momentum indicator is showing we are in a bearish trend, denoted by the red ribbon on the chart. What we want to do now is use the Stochastic RSI to determine where is a good area to sell. We want to wait for the Stochastic RSI to go above the 80 line, and then once the orange line crosses above the blue line, we will take a sell. We will set stops above the previous swing high and we will target a 1 to 2 risk to reward. We will do the opposite in a bullish trend. The RSI momentum trend is in an uptrend. We know this because the color of the ribbon is green. So, we will wait for an entry using our Stochastic RSI. We want the lines to cross below the 20 level, and then once the blue line crosses above the orange line, we will take a buy with stops above the previous low. Once you have entered a trade, you also have the option to hold the position until the overall trend changes on the RSI momentum trend. However, if you decide to use this exit strategy, it's best to trail your stops above price as price runs in your direction. You can do this by moving your stops above significant highs in downtrends or below significant lows in uptrends. An even easier method would be using the price action concepts offered by LuxAlgo to know exactly where the best areas are to place your stop loss in trends, as it automatically does the price action analysis for you. Let's quickly summarize the trading strategy we have covered today. First and foremost, we identified the importance of understanding the trend before placing any trade, emphasizing the fact that your entry point, stop loss, or the asset you're trading are secondary to the prevailing trend. We introduced the RSI Momentum Trend Indicator, a tool that accurately identifies market trends by calculating the relative strength index and evaluating positive and negative momentum conditions. This allows us to see the direction the market is moving and to make our trading decisions accordingly. We found that this indicator outperforms traditional trend indicators like the SuperTrend, as it provides fewer false signals. Our primary strategy involves using the RSI momentum trend to identify the overall trend and then employing the stochastic RSI to confirm our entry points. In a bearish trend, signified by the red ribbon on our RSI momentum trend chart, we wait for the stochastic RSI to rise above the 80 line, and when the orange line crosses above the blue line, we sell. Stops are set above the previous swing high, targeting a risk-to-reward ratio of 1:2. In a bullish trend, indicated by the green ribbon, we do the opposite. We wait for the stochastic RSI lines to cross below the 20 level and for the blue line to cross above the orange line, then we buy. Stops are placed above the previous low. Furthermore, we've discussed a potential exit strategy, which involves holding the position until the overall trend changes according to the RSI momentum trend. If this exit strategy is used, it's recommended to trail your stops above or below significant price levels depending on the trend direction. Remember, knowledge of the trend is one of the first and most crucial steps in successful trading. Armed with these valuable indicators, the RSI momentum trend and the stochastic RSI, and the strategies we've shared today, you're now better prepared to navigate the exciting world of trading. If you're interested in further enhancing your technical analysis toolkit, do consider checking out Luxolgo's premium package. You can try them risk-free for a full 30 days where you can decide if it's a good fit for you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more content like this. Feel free to share your thoughts or any questions you might have in the comments section below. And most importantly, happy trading!